With upcoming CPI, it's a very good moment to give a pre-technical analysis for Xauusd. Let's go quickly to the charts. Here I have the 2-hour Xauusd chart. For the charts, as you can see, we have many channels. Every channel is trending up after we had this big spike in December 2023. That was very unexpected because it was on a Sunday at the market open and we had the very fast revelation. So in a previous video, these zones that you see in orange, red and blue are zones that I marked in higher time frames as possible retracements for price, but for now we're very high, so this means we are in nobody's land. This is all the zone, all this white background is the zone that gold has gained this year. The new prices basically that gold is quoting now, that at some point is normal that gold is pricing higher in this type of economies based in I don't want to say money printing, but things tend to revalate in the future, so it's normal. What it's not normal is that, as you can see, every time we had something or any possible break to the all-time high, like this zone for many years, and also for a lot of time between 2020 and 2023, this area between 2000 and 2076, that was the all-time high print. This was the all-time high printed in 2011. So as you can see, 90-20, it's a very big difference because in 2020 we repriced the all-time high at 2077. Well, everyone thought that was the last all-time high. I wasn't really that sure because, as you can see, even in 2011 we had we had a new all-time high and the retest of the all-time high that actually printed a new one. But after that we had, well, in those two scenarios we had very big revelations. But so far, yeah, we haven't had any type of revelation, because if you see 2020 and 2022, even though 2022 wasn't or didn't print a new all-time high, had a very aggressive revelation of price. So this looked like a very good recovery time for USA, but we had 2023, and after 2023, as you can see, we tempted the zone a lot, like 2000. If you put a line here, this is the daily for just for everyone to know. So every candle is a day. This is a lot of price action in this zone. So 2000 for a lot of time was the acting as a resistance and as a support, and now it's just a new area. Like this will be the new 1600 and 1700 for gold, because we accumulated a lot of liquidity in this area, as you can see. So this is the new zone for gold, and for now we can expect to every data that we have against USD will just show the possible moves on the upside, and any recovery for the USA will dramatically start pushing gold down, because even miners are not yet there to sustain this type of prices. Like gold is simply taking advantage of the weakness of the dollar. This is not normal. Like if you really think that this move is gonna be or is gonna hold until another, for example, a lot of people want to see 3000, like okay, you can see it, but first we need a retracement. Like just look at this, like this is nothing but normal. Well, it is in normal situations like COVID or even 2021, but USA is taking measures. Data is mixed, but also is not like they are like, come on, we need to understand that we need to print money in situations that even human can't control, like COVID. I can argue 28 or 2011, but COVID was impossible not to print money. So in this situation we have a $371 move, like that's even wilder than 2011 and COVID. So this is mainly geopolitical tensions, so be very careful with that, because if anything happens, that means USA will take time to recover. But if things stay chill, smooth, and as they are right now for geopolitical things, well, you can expect a very clean recovery, because at least this spike since 2023 holds a lot of liquidity. So we need to retest. You can see this accumulated a lot of liquidity, so this is a very powerful area for price to retest, because this move won't be sustained for long until we get another good retracement, because it's very healthy bullish trend. This means this can only happen when big players like countries, not even banks or 1-2 banks can do this. This needs countries and federal reserves, so they are central banks, so they can push prices this high. Like these weeks are more than institutional weeks. This is no joke. Like gold USD is $1 trillion market. This is the biggest, I could say, well, one of the biggest markets, so it's not that easy to get this type of trends. Like just check the chart, like every time you touch any all-time high area or near all-time high area, price reacts very abruptly, because it's sensitive areas for prices to react. And if we are not reacting on the opposite side, means that there's a very coordinated move to the upside by big players, and you need to be careful, because those same players are controlling the narrative right now. So at any point, if you took positions here and they decide to dump, you are out of the market, because that move will be this type of aggressive. Like this type of aggressive will be this aggressive. I expect something like this in one day. Like in 1-2 sessions, you will have these candles and a reprise or a revelation. Like Mark 2000, that's clear retracement for gold when it decides to revalidate, but at least mark 175 more or less area as a possible retracement. And for the upside, just start taking positions as safe as you can every time price retraces, because currently price is very bullish. Like doesn't matter what time frame you go, let's go to the 15-minute time frame, we're bullish. Like I don't even need to say anything to know this is a bullish structure. It haven't broke any lower highs, sorry. So we're printing new very good new structure to break this all-time high that is around 54, 55. So if we manage to, as you can see, this looks like a head and shoulder. So if we manage something like, let's see what will be good. I guess with this, we get something, a reaction here, price will boost, because that's what price is doing right now. It's breaking all-time highs. What this means, that for example, China is controlling the price. Like it's dumping 1% the price, so it can buy lower and then again reprice it to the all-time high, then dumps it again when everyone enters, 1% again discount, enter the market again. They have the control of the reserves right now. They start accumulating the price, the reserves of physical gold, so now they can do that. So as you can see, very sustained bullish trend so far in the 15-minute, and in any time frame you go, you will see the same. So take cautious, stay tuned with my Telegram channel. In any case you need some further information, I'll be posting there.